mdgraphicsdesigns.
Welcome to mdgraphicsdesigns. In this video, I will be showing you how to design.
In this Pixellab tutorial, we're going to create this 3D ice text effect. The texts are completely editable and the effects can be saved as a preset for future projects. You can go ahead and watch my previous text effect video where I explained how to save and edit text effects. Let's get started. We'll start by creating the snowing background, and to do that, go to the background color and select gradient fill. For the inner color, I'll be using this blue from my color palette. You can go ahead and copy the color hex code here. While for the outer color, I'll be using this dark blue from my palette. You can also copy the hex code here. Create a new color position at the middle and change its color to this dark blue, then adjust the color slider to something like this. Next, I'm going to import this snowfall PNG image. Now for the text effect. As you can see, I've already typed my text and I'm going to be using this font called Ice Kingdom. Make a copy of the text and hide the layer temporarily. We'll need it later. With the first text selected, go to its color and select gradient. For the top color, I'm going to be using blue from my color palette. While for the bottom color, I'll be using this blue here. You can go ahead and type in the hex code here. Then click OK. Next, scroll to 3D text and enable it. Change the view type to oblique and reduce the depth to 4. Reduce darken to 0%. And rotate the oblique angle to 316 degrees. Then scroll down and make sure you disable the lighting stimulation. Open the Layers panel and unhide the second text, then place it at the middle. Scroll right to texture, and here I'm going to be using this ice texture image. Tap OK, and make sure you enable maintain ratio. Go to inner shadow and enable it, change its color to white and reduce the blur radius to 1, then move the offset Y value to -2. Open the Layers panel and select the first text. Go to Shadow and enable it, reduce the opacity to 20% and blur radius to 1, then move the offset X and Y value to -10 and 10 respectively. Then to spice things up, You can edit this to whatever you want, all the effects will be applied to it. That's it for this tutorial. Please share this video with others, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel.